Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clone a block to another page using Softr. But first, let me give you a brief introduction to Softr. Softr is an incredible no-code platform that empowers anyone to build web apps and websites without writing a single line of code. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even developers looking for a quick way to prototype ideas. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, you can create beautiful and functional web applications in no time. Whether you're looking to build a membership site, a client portal, or an internal tool for your team, Softr has got you covered. Today, we'll be focusing on one specific feature: how to clone a block from one page to another. This is a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, log into your account. You should see a screen that looks something like this. Next, we're going to create a new app from scratch. Select the Create New App button. Now select the Create Application to start setting your app up. Once your app is ready, find the block you want to copy. Click on the Copy To option in the top right corner of the block. Select the page that you want to copy this block to from the list of available pages. Now open the page you've copied the block to. You can find it in your list of pages. And there you have it. You can see that the block has been successfully copied to the new page. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.